I wanted to start a business, but I didn't know where to begin.
We wanted to grow our business, but we needed help.
I needed resources that I couldn't find anywhere.
There was so much that I didn't know. I thought, where do I even start?
It started with a consultation at the Small Business Enterprise Center. We decided we were ready to start our business, but we weren't sure it was even viable. And then we booked a free consultation with the SBEC, and suddenly our dreams became much more of a reality.
It started with a grant program. We had built a small business together, but knew there was opportunity for growth. Our journey began with the SBEC. Their team helped us craft a business plan and introduced us to their small business grant program. The mentorship training and financial support we received allowed us to expand to a new location and grow a larger dance community, and our business continues to thrive.
It started with an event. I was a few years into my business and found myself craving community and connection. My friend invited me to an event run by the SBEC, and I left feeling inspired, recharged, and excited about the future. I met so many other business owners that day who shared relatable entrepreneurial experiences. We're never doing it alone.
It started with accessible resources. I needed a mentor to have unbiased discussions about business planning and strategic planning. I needed referrals to helpful partners to create a solid business plan. SBEC connected me with the resources I needed to prepare for high-level discussions that helped my business grow.
We are all at different stages of starting
Or growing our business.
And learning all there is to know.
And the South Georgian Bay Small Business Enterprise Center exists to help us.
It started with a consultation.
It started with a grant program.
It started with an event.
It started with resources.
No matter what stage your business is at, start with the SBEC. We've got your back.